In this video you will learn how to fix issue of Instagram stories not sharing to Facebook stories. Check account linking. Go to Instagram settings, account center, and make sure your Instagram is properly linked to your Facebook account. Enable story sharing. In Instagram, share under privacy and story. Confirm that the option to automatically share stories to Facebook is turned on. Update Instagram on Facebook app. Or use an outdated version of either app can cause syncing issues. Update both apps such as Facebook and Instagram to the latest version on your app store. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection may prevent cross-posting. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Log back in. Sometimes logging out of both Instagram and Facebook, then logging back in refreshes your account syncing and will fix the issue. Relink account or contact support. If the problem persists, unlink your Instagram account from Facebook, then relink it. If that still doesn't work, report the issue to Instagram support via the help section. Now you know how to fix the issue of Instagram stories not sharing to Facebook stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.